Hi, today we're going to be talking about old laptops, 15-year-old laptops. For example, this Sony Vaio would have come out around 15 years ago with Windows 7 license. It was an Intel i3, came with a 320 hard disk. At that time, this would have been quite an expensive laptop. Sony Vaio had a good reputation for quality. Problem is now, although the laptop is still operating, the machine is so slow you cannot even do simple tasks such as watching this YouTube video. So what do? Do we just throw it away? Ends up in the dustbin? Or can we, for under 60 euros, modify this laptop, upgrade this laptop, and get it working up to modern standards? Let me tell you what I did. So this customer did upgrade this computer to Windows 10 using this product key before that offer expired, beginning of 24. So this computer does come with Windows 10 on it, so that is a plus. It came with 2 GB RAM, so one screw here, all I did was I got another 2 GB DDR3 SD RAM. I paid 10 euros for a used memory, upgraded that, so we upgraded from 2 GB RAM to 4 GB RAM. Another 2 screws here. Gives you access to the disk. So this was the disk that came out, 320 gigabyte HDD. I did run diagnostics on it and it was not running to 100%. So this would have also been causing the computer to slow down as well. But all I did was clone this to a 250 gigabyte SSD. This computer doesn't have a lot of information on it. 250 gigabyte SSD was enough. I used a Crucial 250 gigabyte. Swapped out the disks, added the 2 gigabyte RAM. Since we have a legal copy of Windows 10 from this original product key, we have an original Windows. And I tell you what, this machine, even being as old as it is comparable to a laptop that will cost you 500 euros brand new today. So is it worth it? If the machine is operating normally and there are no other faults with the machine, yes, in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. If you're just going to be using the machine as an office machine, watching YouTube, a bit of Facebook, an upgrade like this will give this machine at least another 5 years of life. This machine, the battery even still holds for about half an hour. So very good. And there we go. Operating system loaded up and at just about the same time as a modern i3 would. I'm sure another satisfied customer. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.